Think the new tax regime means no more savings? What if I told you that you could pay lower taxes and still build massive wealth? Stay with me till the end, because I'll reveal the smartest way to invest in 2025 without losing your financial edge. New tax regime in 2025. Save money and build wealth smartly. Introduction. With the new tax regime, many believe tax-saving investments are no longer useful. But is that really true? In this video, I'll break down why you should still invest wisely despite tax exemptions being removed and how it helps you grow wealth, plan for retirement, and secure your financial future. By the end, you'll learn the best strategies to save and invest without relying on tax deductions. So, let's dive in. 1. Old vs. New tax regime. What's changed? Earlier, we had tax-saving options like PPF, ELSS, and NSC under Section 80C, helping us save taxes and invest at the same time. Now, under the new regime, tax slabs have changed, and most deductions are gone. So, should you stop investing? Absolutely not. 2. Why investing is still important. Investments are not just about tax savings. They help in white heavy checkmark wealth creation. Your money grows through compounding. White heavy checkmark financial security, for retirement, education, or emergencies. White heavy checkmark beating inflation. Investments grow faster than regular savings. White heavy checkmark better future planning, ensures peace of mind and financial independence. 3. Smart investment strategies for 2025. So, if tax savings aren't a priority, where should you invest? Checkmark equity mutual funds and SIPs, for long-term growth. Checkmark pension schemes and retirement funds, to secure your future. Checkmark fixed deposits and bonds, for low-risk investments. Checkmark real estate and gold, safe and long-term asset building. 4. How to stay disciplined in investing. Many people invested just to save tax. But without deductions, how can we stay consistent? Small Blue Diamond Set Automatic Investments, SIP, recurring deposits. Small Blue Diamond Follow Goal-Based Investing, retirement, house, education. Small Blue Diamond think of investments as future income, not just expenses. Conclusion. The new tax regime may have changed the rules, but your financial future is still in your hands. Investing isn't just about tax savings, it's about financial freedom, peace of mind, and wealth creation. If you found this helpful, hit like, share with your friends, and comment below, which tax regime do you prefer, old or new? And don't forget to subscribe for more powerful insights on health, wealth, and financial success.